Well, welcome back, YouTubers. It's Matthew Vic, and I got the JoJo Lena. And guess what? The power's out, and we don't know if the dumps is even open. But you know what? We got fires burning over here. We got the coronavirus over here. We got no power in the damn house, but we still going to work.
Yeah.
Say what up.
I'm super surprised. I had no idea we were recording today. Like, hi!
She's playing hooky from school right now because there's no internet service at the house.
Turn right onto Montecito Boulevard.
There's no internet. When the power's out, you can't do Zoom. And when I can't do Zoom, I'm hauling and bawling.
So stay tuned for the video. We heading on out.
The video I didn't know we were gonna do.
Oh yeah. So we just arrived to the first job, and it's all this wood right here. They actually tore out an old deck. So all this wood's going. Got some treated wood in there. Got some patio furniture. And it's about a load and a half. I'm about to get it done. So the first load is done, and thank God, thank you Jesus that I got the JoJo Lena with me today. Was that not a little walk?
Oh, that was good morning cardio for sure.
Hell yeah. Now I can eat Oreo cookies and not even stress it. So we're heading to the landfill. And what's your prediction of the dump feed, JoJo?
64.
$64. She's sweaty and sexy right now. I'm gonna say 117. Let's see what happens. What the hell?
I know. So our power's out this morning, and you know there's fires, not here but around, and then we're coming across these things. National Disaster Team.
The world's ending.
Something is up.
I told you we need to hurry up and plan our trip. I don't want to die a rich man. I'd rather die a broke man. What the hell? We can't go spend this money we got.
It's just...
Go places.
Look at it. It looks so gloomy.
Smoky from all the fires. So we got a little bit of a line. So we're going to talk trash in the dump line. So JoJo.
Yeah.
Start it off.
Well, one of the things we're going to talk about is websites. The importance of having a website. Super important to have a website. But we had somebody contact us that said, you know, people were going to their website, but they weren't staying and they weren't calling. And he wanted us, you know, to take a look at his website and see if we could figure out why. And as I was looking at it, a lot of ideas came to my mind. So you want to make sure that you are using good colors that stand out, that are bright. You want your website to be simple and eye-catching, yet you want people to stay on your website. And so you definitely want it to be inviting with good color, good font. I think you don't want to overwhelm people with lots of words. You want just enough words to describe what you're doing. And you definitely need pictures, some before and after pictures. I would throw up your logo for sure. And I would also have really good pictures of either yourself in uniform, your workers in uniform, or pictures of your truck and trailer and things that would make somebody stay on your website. Oh, this looks interesting, and keep reading and keep looking at all the things that you do. And you want something that's really going to grab them so that they'll give you a phone call.
And that's trash talk with the JoJo Lena in the dump line. Yeah, you want to have links, your Facebook link, your Instagram link, and all that stuff too. So it's really important to have a good, catchy looking website and have pictures of yourself, your wife, whoever. I don't know how many times people say, "Oh, I seen you guys on the website. You guys are so cute. That's why we hired you." It's crazy. Seriously, they do. They say that all the time.
That's true.
So yeah, make sure your website looks clean, and make sure that you got a bunch of different stuff that links to other places, that goes to your Instagram, Facebook, your YouTube. Throw a video on your website and just make it look professional.
Yeah, we have videos on our website. We have our, another happy customer, where customers talk about, how much they like your service. That's a great thing to have on your website.
Our reviews, our Yelp reviews,
Yeah.
we got those on there too.
Yep.
So yeah.
Yeah, and wherever you are on the internet, you should have a link that does link it to your website. So if you have a Google My Business or on your Facebook page, anything that just draws traffic to your website, because the more people that come to your website, the more higher you will rank on Google, because people are going to your website. It's just a circle that just keeps giving.
So yeah, we're in this dump line just waiting. And our predictions are in. And I'm still sweaty from that job. How about you?
Yeah, it was really good cardio this morning. I didn't know we were doing a video, so I am like all natural today.
All organic right now, no makeup.
Not a drop.
Not even no deodorant on right now.
I didn't even brush my hair. I just pulled it up. I said, "Oh,
But she is wearing socks though. Check her out.
yeah, I got socks on."
That's amazing.
Yeah.
The JoJo with socks. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, leave a comment down below with your website and we'll check it out. So we're over here just waiting. Predictions are in. You want to change your prediction or no?
No, I'll keep it.
You know who's gonna win, right? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So guess who won? It wasn't that sexy thing. It was me. So we are back for round number 2. And the JoJo's gonna back me up. Looking all sexy with no makeup on. So here's the rest of the pile. It's this right here, this, and that little bit right there. So job is complete, and that was a rough one, wasn't it? All cash, baby, all cash. That's what I'm talking about. So we just did a half a load right there, and what's your prediction of the dump feed, JoJo?
This time I'm gonna say that it's 58.
I'm gonna say $62, and damn, it is hot. Woo, baby, woo! We out here just hauling and balling. So yeah, we're heading to the landfill, and yeah, we're gonna go with some more money. That was like what, a 2-hour job? And I'm burnt out, guys. Woo! I think this is deja vu. Coffee again? It's like every day we getting coffee. Guess what I got? Got me a sausage. What's it called? A
Divine
wine. Doesn't that sound super fancy, guys? Look at this beast. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now let's talk more trash in the dump line. And who's the cover winner of the week, JoJo?
GI Hall.
Junk and Waste Removal I think they're out of Pittsburgh. Out of Pittsburgh, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
And these guys got a badass logo and they got a big fleet. So that's why I want to be in 5 years. I want to be like you guys. GI Hall. They're out there killing the game. They got a bunch of dump trucks and their logo looks awesome. So yeah. Cover winner of the week. Look at that sexy thing. No makeup. Does your girl look that good with no makeup? You let me know right now. Look at that, no makeup. I look pretty sexy too with no makeup. Look at me. check me out. So back at the waiting game is just like fishing. Sometimes you gotta wait a little bit longer than other times. So we'll be here for about, what, 25 minutes?
Yeah.
That's why it's good to have a 2-hour window in between jobs. And always let customers know, give them a ring, give them a call if you're running a little bit late, or when you're heading their way. Send them a quick text or just give them a ring, like, yeah, this is Matthew with Sonoma Strong Hauling, I'm heading your way. Just to give them the heads up. Look at that sign. That's our sign right there. Those are shitty signs. Just so you know. Look at that flopping around. Look at that. That sucker's been through 2 fires. All kinds of shit. Look at that. Babe, we gotta tear that sucker down.
We do. That does not represent our high quality hauling service.
Hell no. It's been through some shit though, huh?
It's really been through it. It looked good when we first put it up there.
Yeah, it looks horrible.
Don't have your sign looking like that.
Yeah, don't ever have your sign looking like that. Prime example of what you guys don't want to do. It's been through some shit though. It's been through for about, what, a year and a half?
Yeah. It's
And,
been through
yeah,
rain, wind, fire.
Fires. Yeah, that's horrible. So look who won. It was 460 pounds. $48. How does that feel?
Winner!
So yeah, she won. I'll give it to her. But guess what? That means she won and I get to rub hot oil on her ass. So who really won?
I like that.
I'm the champ, baby. You might have won, but I'm really winning. So we're heading to the next job. And it's in Rona Park, California. And look at this damn line, guys. Holy shit. That's one hell of a line. You see that line?
Yeah, but we're not in it now.
Hell no. I'm gonna go get some oil right now, guys. Let's make a pit stop real quick. So, tip of the day for you haulers out there that ain't hitting them with that price. If you ain't ASK, then you ain't gonna GET. And that's the tip of the day. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is so right.
If you don't ask, you ain't gonna get it. So don't be scared to hit them with that price. And that's the tip of the day. So we're heading to the jobby job. And I'm gonna ASK it. So we are at the next job of the day. And damn, I'm handsome. What do you think? So we're at the next job of the day. And the crazy thing is, when you see stuff like this, that looks like trash, but they ain't what they want gone. So this is all stained. Kind of cray-cray, huh? So this is going. All this stuff right here is going. This is going. This is going. That chair's going. And everything else is staying. So the JoJo's find of the day.
His name's George. He's gonna sit here and watch us work. That's what he's gonna do.
So the neighbor asked for a business card, so I gave her one, and she asked, "Are you cheaper than 1-800-GOT-JUNK?" I told her, hell no. No, I told her we are.
She works for Recology, which means she can really make our phone ring.
I like that. I'm not gonna lie. George looks like a mooch, like he wants a banana or something, wants me to feed him. I ain't gonna feed his ass. You hear me? So about 15 minutes later, job is complete. And how was that, JoJo?
Well, she had a lot of stuff that wasn't going that looked like it needed to go.
Sure did, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're done for the day. If you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button, and keep hauling and balling, and check out our other videos. And look at that sexy thing right there. No makeup. If you can wake up in the morning and go to work without no makeup, you a real woman. So hit that like and subscribe button. And if you can't, if you gotta wake up and put your eyebrows on and make your lips look bigger and stuff your bra and put those butt pads on there to make your butt look bigger, then you ain't a real woman. You're faking it. So yeah, until next time, guys. Why you laughing over there? Hit that like and subscribe button, guys.